what is going on with SUI right now? Okay, let's talk about it. Let's get into the price action. Let's talk about the fate of SUI, as right now the outflows are kind of dictating the market, and I want to share with you guys exactly what's happening within these data points. We'll take a quick dive in the chart as well, but if you guys haven't done so, make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that like button, and if you hold SUI, put that SUI down below in the comments box, and let's get it going. Okay, please remember though, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And let's get into some crypto talk as we look down the total market cap board, and you can see SUI right now at 20, so that's a very, very nice spot for us right now, trading at $1.80. We've had a great day, week, month, and year, up 342% year over year, last 365 days, and almost doubling in value over the last month, getting as high as $2.10. SUI has never had a bull cycle, so over the last month, we've gained 13 spots in total market cap. So if you've been following me here on the channel, it's been something where we've been very bullish about it. We've been talking about this price momentum. And in this piece, I'm going to share with you guys kind of what's going as we look into the balance within SUI, because right now the fate is all uncertain as we look for these outflows that are dominating. So a lot of liquidations, a lot of people taking profits. We've seen a lot of sentiment shifting in the market. I think right now it's a very high period of uncertainty. There's a lot of weaknesses there within SUI, within their price action. And this is where this article is alluding to the fact that we may see a potential of a 23% decline. This is not intended to be FUD talking about SUI. However, this is going to be just kind of how I look at it, how I'm telling you guys the news, and we're not always going to pump sunshine here. Although this desert sun is just glaring in the back of my head, there's a lot of sunshine happening right here in Nevada, but we are going to talk about it because the SUI holders are not seeing all of this sunshine, okay? Within this 30% decrease in the last 2 days, dropping the transaction volume down from 1.1 billion to 830 million, that indicates a lot of active participation is on the decline for SUI holders. We're seeing this a lot within further negative sentiment surrounding the asset, and this further drop in transaction volume is kind of pointing to a reduced market engagement, which obviously has a lot of price corrections that usually precede all of that movement. So this is kind of where it's kind of uncertain. It becomes a concern. It's going to be difficult to kind of sustain these recent gains, and investors are becoming more and more cautious. So we're going to keep an eye out for the confidence factor, I think, within the sentiment within SUI. I want to see what the holders are doing, right? And the biggest thing within crypto is buying crypto when no one else is buying. That's how you make gains. That's how you're ahead. That's how you're early. And that's what I think talking about SUI does, is because not too many people know about it. Not too people want it. Not too many people desire it. And it's not a very mainstream crypto that people are buying, but I still think we are so early to this crypto that has never experienced a bull cycle. So that's why I'm very bullish on this top 20 crypto. Now, on a macro level, we're seeing a lot more bearish activity from the CMF. That's the Chaikin money flow. We've seen this from the beginning of the month where this has been very bearish. And now with the outflow of capital, we're seeing that is alluding to the fact that investors are moving some of their funds to avoid potential losses from a further price decline. Okay, so that's kind of going to signify and solidify that possibility of a downtrend for SUI. But if we do continue this downward trajectory, that's okay. Like I said, we've never had a bull cycle, so all of these losses, I think, can be erased very, very easily. Okay, but the more so as we get into the price prediction for SUI, another thing we need to talk about is there is no new highs in those cards. Okay, right now it's bearish, but if we do get a reversal in this activity, I will be sure to make a video to update you along the way. But we have tested the next support level at $1.45. If SUI falls below that, that would be that 23% decline. That is kind of the highlight of this article. It's not intended to be FUD, it's just kind of the reality. However, if we look at $2.18 as being that new all-time high, it's still in the cards in my perspective. It's just not going to happen right here, right now. So if we do bounce off this $1.70 support, that could prevent future losses. And if that would happen and the market becomes bullish, that is something that's going to elude and stick out as being a very positive mover in the price action for SUI. And that's where I look for a very strong possibility that we hit that $2 level again. So it's not a bad buy, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but SUI is a very, very one of my top 5 cryptos that I'm picking for this next cycle that I'm bullish on. So love this blockchain, love what they bring to the table, and very optimistic about their future. So that's my update. Hope you guys are all doing well. As always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below for more updates. We do talk crypto every single day. Appreciate you guys rock with me, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.